Hey YouTube. Okay. We're going to do 3 different experiments today. The first one is making rain in a cup. You want to do rain in a cup?
Yes, first.
Do you want to do green rain?
Yes.
And pink rain?
I love pink.
We are going to put some water in our cups.
Yes. These are grown-up cups.
These are the grown-up cups, yeah, so you've got to be careful.
Yeah.
We've already broken one of Mummy's plates today, so we don't want to break anything else.
No.
Alright, now we're going to put some clouds on the top. This is our clouds.
That's my hand looks so funny to grab.
That's your clouds. Emerson, do you want clouds?
That is big. Stop tapping.
Okay, there's Emerson's clouds.
Look at mine.
Okay, we've got our clouds.
And the top.
Now we're going to make rain.
Pink rain.
Well, pink rain, not purple rain, pink rain. Not purple rain. Now you want to drip. Can you drip the rain into the clouds? Yep. Do a bit more. Oh look, it's starting to rain. Look, oh, it's starting to rain.
Yeah.
How cool is that? Look at it raining.
Daddy, can you do mine?
Now we're going to do Emerson's.
It's science crab. You can stand.
Science Dad.
Hey, Daddy, that looks like
Science crab?
Yes.
What's science crab?
Science, I mean.
Oh, science, yeah. Okay, now you're going to put your green stuff. Just be really careful. I don't want this going in your clothes. Put it in your clouds. And then the water gets too heavy in the clouds and then it drips through the clouds and it starts to rain. Oh wow, Pearl's gone completely red.
Yeah.
Here comes Emerson's rain. It's raining. There it is. Careful.
It's cute.
You do one more. Do it
Daddy, look at
on the other
mine.
side.
I'm going to do some on mine.
I think yours is already
Daddy,
finished.
look at mine.
I see, buddy.
It's so yucky. They look great. Put them in. Put them in.
Over there. Wow, okay. So, experiment number 1 has been successful. We've got
Mix it up.
we've got green rain and pink rain. What is it, buddy?
Science.
Science, good boy.
Science crab.
And here's Pearly's pink rain. We just made our rain clouds. So the rain went into the clouds.
Shaving cream to make the clouds.
The clouds was a shaving cream, and when the rain got too heavy, it fell through the shaving cream into the water.
Yeah.
Just like when the water gets too heavy in the sky, and it falls down as rain.
Yeah, and we need an umbrella.
And we need an umbrella.